What's up, guys? I recently just picked up a antenna for my truck. It's my very first mod for my 2012 Toyota Tundra. This one is a pure copper antenna. I wanted to replace the long antenna with this one, so picked this up off Amazon, and here's how it looks like. So here's the antenna itself. Pretty heavy for a small antenna. It's got some weight to it. And it comes with the thread. So gonna put this on and see how it looks. Should be a lot better than the OEM one, the long floppy one. I'm just gonna put a little bit of NICs on there, just so if I ever want to take this thing out again, I won't have to worry about it being stuck in there. Alright, that's it. Now, just have to go out to the truck and take out the old one, put this one in there. Alright, here we go. We're outside. Pretty cold day today, but pretty simple. Just take off, unthread the old one out. Just like that, comes out. That's it. Just got done testing out the new antenna. Works good. Got receptions for most of the main stations that I listen to. So overall, I say it's not too bad, even though there's mixed reviews online. I think for the price, and to me the quality looks pretty good, so I'll take it. I bought it just mainly to replace the long OEM floppy one. So this one is way shorter than the OEM one, making it look a lot better. But that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next one.